Hey everyone, welcome to Khali Yoga Center. My name is Michelle. I'm here with Marcus. And today we're showing you crow pose, Bakasana. All right, Marcus, crow pose. Plant your hands strong and shoulder width apart on the mat. Good. And your feet together, knees start to drop out. Bring your feet in towards one another and let the knees start to lean out. Now lean your knees into your upper arms or armpits. Yeah. All right, let's step out a minute and come in just a little closer with your feet. And plant your hands shoulder width apart. Root the hands, spread the fingers out wide. Yeah. Feet together, knees apart. And lean your knees into your upper arms or armpits. Yeah, you can tiptoe in, tiptoe in. Yeah. Now, once you have your knees onto your arms, look forward. Lean forward, lift one foot or both feet, and squeeze in. Squeeze the feet in, squeeze the knees in. Round the upper back, look forward. Now straighten your arms, Marcus. See how far you can get. Lift your heels to your glutes and fly back, chaturanga. Yes. Up dog. Downward facing dog. Heck yeah. Good work. All right, some modifications for crow pose. All right, Marcus, bring your vision to your hands and flatten them out on the mat. Now, walk your feet in closer to your arms. Now, a modification is to simply bring your knees to your arms and walk in closer so you can just lean right in. Feet about a foot and a half from your hands and just lean in. Yeah. And that's crow pose. You can look forward. Yeah, that's a modification. Another modification is just to lift one foot. Yeah. And so whether you're a new crow learning to fly or flying sky high, this pose creates strength, upper body strength, and resilience is a willingness to try whether you're going to fly or not. So giving it a go. All right, flatten the hands out on the mat. Now lean in, look forward. Yeah. And one more modification, if it's fear here that's holding you back, you can place a block or two under your head so that you have something to land on. So lean forward and trust. Yeah. 1 foot, 2 foot. See the blocks here for him. You ready? Chaturanga, you can step or float. Yes! Good work, Marcus. Up dog and down dog. I love it. Some common misalignments for crow pose. The first misalignment I see is, Marcus, come on down to your knees and just here with me, is that when I call crow pose in the classroom, people just look around the room. That's like the first misalignment I see, crow's not for me, for whatever reason. Whether you feel like you're not strong enough or you're afraid to fall on your face. So it's like giving it a go. That's what I noticed, is just not willing to give it a go. So let's give it a go and start out slow. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the mat. Yeah, and then lift your hips up high. Now bring your feet about 1.5 feet from your hands. Yeah, and feet together. Bring your feet together and knees apart. And so this could be your crow pose, right here, getting started. And then lean into your arms. Another misalignment I see here is feet out wide. So lean in and then come up with your feet out apart from one another. Yeah, like that. And so that this here, you're missing the power of your center line to hold you up. Marcus is strong, so he's doing it. And it's just pure brute strength right here versus integration, alignment, and that levity from pulling in. So Marcus, again, hands flat on the mat, feet about 1.5 feet apart from your hands. Yeah, and now just lean in so you can touch down. Now squeeze in, feet together, arms and knees into center, and pull up into your core. And then there's a lightness here. It's not as much vibration. There's some. Palms flat. Yeah, really good. Crow pose. Another misalignment in crow pose. I think, yeah, one more misalignment in crow pose. This is not lifting the hips up off. So hands flat. Come on in, and then trying to keep the hips low and going into crow. It's like hard to get into it. Yeah, it's like heavy weighted here. So now bring your feet together, knees apart, and pull up and in, lift up and in, hips high. Now lean forward, hands flat. Now lift your heels up to your glutes. Look forward. Yes, step or float back, chaturanga. Good. Upward facing dog, badass. Downward facing dog. Come on up here with me, Marcus. Really good work. That was crow pose. Have fun with crow. One of my favorite things to bring to my yoga practice is a sense of lightness, like having fun. Yoga is way too important to take seriously, so give yourself a go in crow pose. Thanks for being here. Khali Yoga Center in the house.
Yeah.